It is actually so fascinating and troubling that in today's day and age, it is getting easier and easier to get lost on our way to our destination. And this is happening because there are so many attractions that are continuously pulling our attention. Let's assume, for example, that you go on YouTube or you go on any search engine and you look for something you want to know about. And then you get some other results which are in the recommended section. And then you think, oh, this seems interesting. Let me click on that. And then you enter a rabbit hole which seems to have no end. So in today's spoken word video, we will be shining some light on this. And this spoken word video is going to be in हिंदी। घर से निकले थे ये सोचकर कि मंजिल की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं, गिनते थे अपने कदम आज 100 कल 200, अरे ये तो सच में बढ़ रहे हैं, मगर दिशाओं पे ध्यान दिया तो एकदम से झटका सा लगा, गलत मोड़ ले लिया था अभी कुछ दिनों पहले, शायद माया के दूत ने था मुझे फिर से ठगा, ऐसा हुआ मानो किसी और ने पकड़ के मेरी दिशा मोड़ दी और मैं अनजान रहा, गाड़ी मेरी चलाने लगा कोई और मैं अपने ही भीतर एक मेहमान रहा, कितना सूक्ष्म होता है ये सब अब जाके समझ में आया, मैं यूं ही उम्र भर बना अनजान रहा। Felt like somebody else has come into me and he or she is driving the body and is deciding where I will be going in my life and I'm just sitting there as a spectator. दिशा को छोड़ो, पहले मन की दशा पर ध्यान दो, आकर्षक चीजें तो बहुत आएंगी रास्ते पे, छोड़ो ना जान दो, मेहंदी रत्ता लिखते लिखते ये भी कहीं खोने ही वाला था, अरे वो दूध गर्म हो रहा था, क्या हुआ, हो गया, आन दो। This is a very serious issue that we need to take care of, that we need to deal with heads on, man. I mean, there are some things in life that we can't run away from. I've tried running away from them and I only look back to see that they are chasing me. In today's day and age, it's more important than ever. I repeatedly say this in all my different videos, in all my different lectures that I conduct, that it's more important than ever now to preserve your energy. What energy? You're talking about the AAA battery? No, I'm talking about the energy which you have been gifted, the energy which resides in you, the energy which is enabling me to speak this right now, the energy which enables me to do my push-ups, the energy which enables you to cook your food, the energy which enables you to drive, the energy which enables you to listen to what I'm saying right now. So ladies and gentlemen, this is our last chance. That's what we need to assume, and then only we will take some strict action. Preserve this beautiful energy of ours.